Hey, Sasperners, welcome to day 28 of our 30-day high-level mastery series, where we look at one simple implementation that you can implement straight away in your business. So yesterday we discussed about the different pricing plans for high level, and I understand even $97 could be massive investment for a few people. Remember, I didn't say expense, investment. All right. However, if you're starting out and you do not have the funds to fund a $97 investment for the high level subscription, or you don't see the value, you don't see yourself as a high level agency bringing in more clients under your agency as sub accounts, it's perfectly fine. High level still offers you an option to become an affiliate and sign clients using your affiliate link and get 40% recurring commission every month, every recurring subscription. So, in that case, what you need to do is you need to create content like this on YouTube or social media or podcast and drive traffic to affiliate link. And if people sign up using your affiliate link, you get 40% commission out of high level. So there are multiple ways to make money online these days. I wasn't a big fan of affiliate marketing when Russell Brunson introduced me to ClickBank and things like that. I personally would never promote a product that I'm not a user. Like I haven't tried it firsthand and I don't believe in it. So I did not believe in a lot of affiliate marketing products via ClickBank because I didn't buy them. I didn't use them. How can I promote? How can I talk about it? Now, when I talk about high level, you can see the passion because I'm right there, knee deep, completely, immersed myself into the high level CRM world. I believe in the power of the platform. I believe in the transformation it can provide for my business and for my clients. So when I talk about it, you can feel the passion and people actually naturally build that trust. However, other products, if I've never used, I'm not that person who believes in that. So today, I just want you to present this offer if you believe in high level and you believe in the offer, you believe in that whole platform. However, you cannot sell and bring on new clients, then becoming an affiliate for high level is a great way for you to make that extra source of revenue. All you have to do is show up, tell people that this tool can solve the problem, sign up using the link, my affiliate link. So be honest, whenever I use an affiliate link, I tell people that this is an affiliate link and I get commission out of it. Okay. So it's not illegal. And they're not paying anything extra. They're going to pay that money anyways to high level. So why not using your affiliate? So that again brings to that question, what happens if they sign up using your affiliate? What value are you providing? Okay, that's something to think about. And let me know if you need help in figuring out the value stack for the people who sign up using an affiliate. I've done that for quite some time. I think I might get the little first $10,000 affiliate revenue earner award soon. So I know a little thing about it. All right, I'll see you tomorrow.